जैसा कि आज का इवेंट है वो सबको ये एहसास दिलाने के लिए है कि आप जिस मैट्रेस पे सोते हैं तो आपके लिए, आपकी नींद के लिए कितना मतलब कंट्रीब्यूशन होता है उसका। मतलब अगर बहुत बढ़िया मैट्रेस है आपको उतनी अच्छी नींद आएगी और जब आप उठेंगे तो आपके बॉडी में वो एक्स और पेन्स नहीं होंगे। एंड अभी मैं थोड़ी देर पहले यही बात कर रही थी कि बहुत बार जब हम लोग बहुत खूबसूरत से होटल में जाते हैं तो वहाँ के जब बेड पे सोते हैं तो बहुत कमाल की नींद आती है। तो दैट इज़ बिकॉज उनकी जो बेडिंग्स होते हैं, मैट्रेसेस होते हैं, पिलोज़ होते हैं, वो बहुत हाई क्वालिटी के होते हैं। तो यहाँ पे भी जो लॉन्च हो रहे हैं मैट्रेस वो यही समझाने के लिए कि आपको अच्छी नींद चाहिए और फिर आपको कोई अगर इश्यूज़ हैं जैसे बैक प्रॉब्लम है तो उसके लिए कौन सा मैट्रेस, सब के लिए अलग अलग टाइप का मैट्रेस की ज़रूरत होती है। तो वो सब इनके पास हैं एंड यही अवेयरनेस क्रिएट करने के लिए हमने ये इवेंट किया है। उस पर डिस्कशन होगा कि लोग इतने स्ट्रेस्ड क्यों रहते हैं। और मेरे ख्याल से मैट्रेस में इन्वेस्ट करना बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है बिकॉज़ लोग कहते हैं कि आपकी आधी ज़िंदगी आप सोते हुए गुजारते हैं, तो उसमें इन्वेस्टमेंट करना आई थिंक इज़ वेरी वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर हेल्थ, फॉर गुड स्लीप। वी इन्वेस्ट सो मच इन बाइंग अ कार बट आई थिंक जिस पे आप इतना समय बिताते हैं सिर्फ सोने के लिए नहीं। आजकल तो लोग बैठ के लैपटॉप पे काम करते हैं, बिस्तर पे, टेलीविज़न इतने घंटों देखते हैं बेड पे से। सो आई थिंक इट मेक्स फॉर अ वेरी वेरी इंटेलिजेंट इन्वेस्टमेंट कि आप एक बहुत बढ़िया गुड क्वालिटी मैट्रेस ज़रूर अपने मतलब घर में लाएं। एंड it's also I think a very beautiful item to gift somebody so that they get a good night's sleep always.
We can catch up over there.
मैं पर्सनली स्ट्रेस लीव कैसे करती हूँ वो डिपेंड करता है, मतलब फिजिकल स्ट्रेस है कि इमोशनल। लोकेशन शूट आई लाइक टू स्लीप अ लॉट। मुझे अपनी नींद बहुत पसंद है, सो आई स्लीप अ लॉट अगर मुझे समय मिल जाए तो।
थैंक यू सो मच।
या
We'll go out.
Okay.
Now we can escort her inside and we will start the event.
We have two beautiful ladies who need no introduction. Please put your hands together for Mahima Chaudhary and Neha Dhupia, ladies and gentlemen. Come on. Thank you so much. Kindly step forward. Please join me in welcoming Mr. Enrico, Asia Pacific Sales Director. Let's hear it for him. Mr. Anand, Director Polyflex Indian Partner for right people. And before we move on, I'd like you to take a quick look on what Magni Smart Tech is all about. Can we quickly have the video, please?
Here, and
I guess that one of the questions that we are asking ourselves is why Smartech? I mean, why we're here, 150 people staring at a mattress. And let me tell you something, gentlemen, one of the most expensive cars in India is a Mercedes-Benz that costs 1.5 million US dollars. And ladies, one of the most expensive handbags is an Hermes Birkin that costs 350,000 USD dollars. But again, for how many hours per day would you be actually carrying that handbag? And for how many hours a day you'll be actually driving that car? I really think that for a handbag, we can carry it for tonight, for an event, a couple of hours. And that car, what if you have back pain? Are you actually going to drive that car that we spent 1.5 million for? I don't think so. So we have luxury, but the question is, how can actually luxury impact our life as well? And this is the question why Magniflex has been asking itself for more than 60 years. So this product that you are seeing here is not just a mattress, it's not just luxury, it goes beyond that. This is the first integrated system that is giving you both luxury, because every single piece of this mattress is handcrafted in Italy, and we use the most luxury materials. But as well, we also have technology in this mattress. It took us more than 3 years to actually study, research, and develop with this mattress, together with the most renowned engineers in Italy. 3 years. So we can actually say that this mattress has a bachelor degree, because we really spent time to build up this mattress, right? And what is particular in this mattress? What is particular in this integrated system? We have hundreds of devices created by Apple, created by Samsung, that can actually proud to introduce this mattress in India, but because we think that this mattress is the future, this is the innovation, right? So I would like one of you to come on stage so we can have a small demonstration about this mattress.
Mr. Imran, can we please have you on stage here? Let's hear it for Mr.
a stress-free life. So without further ado, I would like to first welcome all our panelists here. Thank you so much for taking our time from your hectic schedules and being here with us and to talk about this cause. And to start the show, to set the ball.
Hi everyone, it's just great to be here. It's probably the only place where you can, only event where it's legitimate to actually yawn. And that's what I was doing. Because if you're yawning sitting over here, you can just go there and it's like the best thing ever. But I was hoping you didn't ask me that question first, because I don't want to set the bar too high or too low. But it's how it's going to come. I'm just going to be honest. And I'd be like a 4.
Alright, that's pretty good.
Or a 3.5 actually.
Alright.
Less.
And how do you cope up with stress?
By passing out. I sleep. I'm just like, if this is
So that's what we're
getting
discussing
too
here today,
stressful or
sleep
if
and
this
stress.
this is getting too hectic for me, the first thing I do is try and throw my phone far away. And then that stresses me out, and then I go and look for my phone, and then when I find my phone again, it stresses me out even more. So, and then I'm just like, you know what, I'm going to let everything go, and I'm just going to pass out. There was this amazing film that came out just now called Wonder Woman, and there's this scene, the first time she actually interacts with a guy, because she's from, you know, a completely different island, and they haven't really seen men or civilization. And he keeps looking for his watch, and she's just like, she asks such an innocent and interesting question, which is so simple. And she's like, how can something so tiny actually rule your life? Or how can you let that rule your life? And for me, I think the most stressful thing about, even if sleep helps me get rid of my stress, the most stressful thing in my life is to wake up to an alarm. Like, nothing stresses me out more than that. So, you know, like I said, we're just, at every level, we're slaves to something or a gadget or something else, except when we're actually passed out and sleeping. You know, that's the only relaxed or most amazing time that we can have.
All right. Mahima, what about you? What's your score on a scale of 1 to 10 on stress?
Today?
No, in life, generally.
Yeah, so for the last 4 years, it's been 10.
Okay, you're the perfect candidate for this.
Yeah. Just to give you an idea, I landed from Agra, I got ready, I did my own hair. It's difficult, okay, the men, I want to tell you, to wash it and to blow dry it and to straighten it. And then I did my makeup in the car. And I was half ready, I was in my choppals, so if you go and see the car, it has bathroom choppals and everything. So I got ready, and I have a flight to catch to America, and I have not packed at 2 o'clock. So while I'm talking about how one should relax, I'm actually very stressed, so I'm 10. What de-stresses me is shopping. I was just telling her, you know, everything calls out to me, like this mattress is telling me, buy me, buy me. I want to buy it for my mother because she doesn't keep very well, and I think it's wonderful. I just stay worried about her oxygen levels, her heart rate, her blood pressure, and right now I'm stressed out because I'm going to be away for a month, and this is absolutely wonderful. This is something I want to get for her. So knowing and being in control is so much better and less stressful. So Magni Flex is, thank you so much for getting this to India.
Great. What about you, Diane? What's your score?
I think I've reached a point.
And fall asleep instantly.
Well, there are days I don't push myself to sleep. Like, you know, I think I've tried and tested many different things. When I was a few years younger, and then people were around me would always say, you know, we can't sleep. And I mean, I could literally nap anywhere, and there would be no problem. Like I said, the only time I can't sleep is when I know I have an early flight or an early call time, and that's actually very unhealthy, because when you have an early day of work, like if you have a 6 a.m. call time, you literally need to make sure you sleep really well so that you can actually be very, very productive, exactly like Doctor said, you know, that, and this thing that he was saying about, you know, your gravity and you're in a bad mood, I'm that person. So at least my team knows that till 12 in the afternoon they shouldn't even hover around me. And even if they are, they should like tiptoe and then not talk to me. Pretend like I don't exist. And that's what you come to terms with. But if you're coming back to your question, I feel like I'm going away. So, you know, firstly, I think we worry too much about little things. And I've learned the hard way, because nothing is more important than your own health. And the first thing to start affecting your health is if you don't give your sleep enough importance. And I think Galen, if I'm taking her name right, she came on stage, and then, you know, I usually don't pay too much attention when people talk on stage, but with her I really did, because she's so interesting, and she made so much sense about buying the car and buying, you know, the handbag, which you're going to carry around your arm, and then you have to carry it in a particular way that you just need to go back and like bandage your arm, and it doesn't do any good to you. And what are you trying to prove out of it? And it's just amazing. Like for me, I think that if you're going to spend 1/3 of your life on that bed or that mattress and sleeping, I think it's probably the best investment.
Absolutely.
And I feel like it's just things like competition, and, you know, it's also a new fad. Oh, what's happening? Oh man, I'm too stressed out. Like, you know, it's the thing. If you don't say that, you're just not cool enough or important enough. And, you know, it's just that. You just need to snap out of it.
Mahima, do you manage to pack in 8 hours of sleep? As per the experts' advice.
Before I used to, but now I have a little one that I send to school, and her school begins really early, so I have to wake up at 6 with her. And normally I'm trying to watch Arnab Goswami on television. I can't sleep unless I'm charged up and I see someone else more agitated than me. So that sort of calms me down. I don't know, it's got a calming effect. But yes, so yeah, he has. Because I feel like there's one person who's more agitated than me, and it just calms me, and I just see that debate, and I slowly reduce the volume.
Or no, I'm sure will not be too happy to hear that.
Yeah,
that he puts you to sleep. Yeah, absolutely.
So that's why I was saying last 4 years I have been stressed, because I don't get my 8 hours of sleep. And I need it. And I'm just so happy we're talking about rest for good health, because everywhere I go it's about running is good for health, yoga, breathing, it's always activity, and this is resting is good for health. First of all, that's really nice. So yeah, I haven't got, for 4 years I've not been getting very good sleep, but I love sleeping. I love long flights. I love 18-hour flights, 16-hour flights. I just love it. So I'm looking forward to tonight when I'll be on this international flight for 8, 10, 12, 15 hours. I love it. So yeah, I'm so happy. The best sleep I get is when I enter a hotel room and I have that mattress, which is pretty much what you're bringing to India. And there's no sound.
Okay.
So that really gives me good sleep.
Okay. We'll move on now. So
I have a suggestion. I really want to move on.
Sure.
I have a suggestion for Magniflex. You know those little mattresses you get on the flight when you're traveling? I spend 1/3 of, I think I spend 1/3 of my life on a airplane.
On an airplane.
You know the thin mattresses? Please get some technology into that and get Magniflex onto our mattresses when we're traveling. If you can come up with
pillows or travel comfort.
travel pillows, yeah, I mean that, or
some innovation there.
When you wake up, you're like, I mean, we've
We're working on it.
DDT suits and things like that. You might as well get one of these things.
Great. Okay. So moving on, I'd like to bring in some statistics here. Dr. Abhishek India, this is specifically for you three. 72% of Indians are waking up 1 to 3 times per night, and 87% of them say the lack of sleep is affecting their work. Sleep apnea and insomnia, common sleep disorders, and 84 other sleep disorders often go undiagnosed. So why do you think, you're three experts here on particularly these matters, why do you think there's such a gross lack of awareness when it comes to sleep disorders?
Let me tell you, 60% of the people in the city, Mumbai city, are suffering from some form of insomnia or this.
Yes.
People blame the mobile phone. Okay, people are getting too.
Switch from Magniflex to Magni Smart Tech.
Alright. Alright. What about you, Mahima? What's your de-stressing mantra and your instant sleep mantra?
Yeah, also that. I'm using Magniflex and you get great sleep on the mattress. There's another technique that I've started very recently. I read
Tell
it.
me about that.
Yeah, it's like you breathe in, count 7 seconds, hold it for 7 seconds, and release for 7 seconds, and do this 7 times.
That's yoga, right?
By the time you reach your 5th, you'll be fast asleep.
That doesn't work on me. My mind is always racing. I would never manage to do that. Yeah, maybe it's the reverse. Anyway, tell me.
I believe in reading.
That sends you to sleep?
Yeah, I just love to read. I mean, I stay away from technology and TVs or Netflix.
Do you have a television in your room or you don't?
Not
Your
in that
bedroom?
room, on top of
Alright.
my room down, my husband and me is the biggest TV ever. The biggest, you know, like, I mean, yeah. It's, you know, now men like technology.
Can you please get the sound right here?
So,
Thank
and
you.
what's your de-stressing mantra? It's reading.
Reading.
And instant sleep mantra? What's it?
And in fact, yesterday I tried the Magniflex pillows, right? So that was really, really good because you know, your spine is instantly aligned. It's the regular.
Anand, I did get the pillows.
No,
Where are the pillows? No wonder I have
Where
this.
are the pillows? No
I have this
wonder.
breathing exercise going for me. I want to stop this breathing thing. I want the
I
pillows.
wanted to mention about
No
the
wonder
pillows
I'm
because
yawning on stage because I haven't slept well last night.
because the regular pillows, you always wake up with a stiff neck. You're training so much, right?
Yes.
Did I do something wrong?
So, Nipika, what about you? Do you have a de-stressing mantra and something you would send you to sleep instantly?
I think it's important to be positive. So, yes, laugh more, enjoy more, eat more, exercise more, read
I
more.
read something very nice just like that. That be like a caterpillar, eat a lot, sleep a lot, and wake up beautiful.
Yeah, sure. And be positive. And for
Eat a
those who
lot,
haven't
have a
got the
good
pillows and the mattresses, be positive, it will come to you.
Alright. What about you, Dr. Yusuf?
I believe in end of the night before going to sleep, looking at the sky, thanking God for the wonderful day He gave me.
Gratitude.
Asking for forgiveness if I have hurted anybody throughout the day, and forgiving people who have done, and praying that tomorrow I should wake up. Tomorrow I should wake up. This is what I tell my people also, my clients, my patients, my children. This is what you should do, and you are going to be one.
Mic is coming to you. Can you raise your hand, please? Alright. Can you send the mic to that gentleman over there, please? No, there. Enough of that. And please specify who the question is addressed to so that panelists can answer.
The question is to Neha and Mahima. Mahima, I hope you can hear me. Okay, no problem. The question is to Mahima and Neha. You know, the very first question: what are the 3 things you look into whenever you become a part of any brand or associate yourself with any brand? I'll start with Neha.
What is the question? Can you?
Should I repeat?
Yes, could you please stand up and keep it short and clear? Could you tell us clearly what you want
The
to ask?
question is to Neha and Mahima.
Yes.
What are the 3 things you look into whenever you become a part of any brand or associate yourself with the brand?
Sorry, could you
Should
please
I
repeat
repeat?
that?
Should I repeat?
Yes, 3
The question is to Neha and Mahima.
Yes.
What are the 3 things they look into whenever they become a part of any brand or
Okay,
associate
alright, got
themselves
that.
with the brand?
Neha and Mahima, that's for you. He wants to know what are the 3 things that you look into or assess before you get associated with the brand?
I think, I'm sorry we made you repeat the question so many times. I think it was just
No problem.
facing the other way. I think the most important thing definitely is an association in the sense that do you relate to the brand and does the brand relate to you? I think as far as Magniflex is concerned, it's great. We're just not talking about mattresses or it's not something to do with home decor, but it's got everything to do with lifestyle, it's got everything to do with health, with fitness. So yeah, I see, as far as I'm concerned, I wouldn't be able to speak for anyone else. There's a huge amount of relatability. Secondly, most importantly, would you use this brand even if you weren't on stage talking about it or far away somewhere on a poster endorsing it? The answer to that should always be a yes. I would definitely use the brand. I would definitely use Magniflex once I knew about it, once I studied about it. That's the second thing. And thirdly, are you selling people the right pitch? Are you talking about quality? Are you giving them what the brand is giving? And are you delivering as much as they say they are? Because, you know, at the end of the day, we bring our audience to your market. That's what we do when we're faces of a certain product, and it's very important that we come up with a certain sense of honesty, and the brand also comes up with a certain sense of honesty. And I think that's where the association and the integrity and the relatability of you as a brand lies, and combining yourself with another brand that stands for all of the above.
Mahima?
Yeah, okay. For me, yeah, the product and or whatever is being launched. If it is an activity, if it is an NGO activity, what is it about? Who's involved? Is it genuine? So that is the first thing. Yes, the mattress I relate to. I'm using it. I'll wait for the
and
pillows.
You've been using it for a while,
Yeah,
I believe, right?
yeah. Second thing obviously is the date available, because I do a lot of events. And now I've become a little sticky that if there's too much driving, then I don't go. But earlier I used to even take a 4-hour drive. Now I just, I'm so happy Mr. Modi is making airports in Memory City, so I'll just fly. But yeah, this driving thing becomes very strenuous for me now. So not too much driving, and dates is very important. And the most important thing is the product or what the event is about, yes.
Neha, there's another question. You know, stress, we are talking about stress, and that can be killed by proper sleep. Just right now, 4 hours before, Shujit Sarkar tweeted, he said, humble request to all the authorities who involved in the reality show involving children. And he says, it's actually destroying them emotionally, and they're losing their purity. You also being a judge on so many reality shows where the kids are involved, what's your take on that?
Look, I didn't understand the first part of the tweet.
He says, humble request to all the authorities to urgently ban all reality shows involving children.
Reality shows involving children.
Yes, it's actually destroying them emotionally and their purity.
I think, it's different. It's a bit of a competitive world, and I have to stand up for everything that I endorse. I have been a judge on a kids' comedy show, and the most important thing is that one is we know as authorities what happens. Maybe sometimes it's an overkill, and I respect what is said in the tweet, but more importantly, there is a flip side to it, what Sujit is talking about. The other side is the fact that these kids are looked after, they're sent to school, they get, for that 2 weeks or 3 weeks that they're in a part of a certain program when they're on TV, they get tutored by their teachers in their own private environment. And secondly, I feel like it gives them confidence, it gives them a stage to perform, and it gives them direction, maybe 10 years too early in life. But hey, if somebody at the age of 9 or at the age of 12 realizes that they want to become an actor, there's no harm if there is a platform or a stage provided to them by really big GEC channels. But yes, at the same time, I'm a firm believer in education. And whatever your dream is, you make sure you complete your education and then take it forward.
Mahima, what's your take on this?
Okay, that should be the last question, because I think we're running out of time. I've been getting signs.
No, ma'am, I would like to add.
Yes.
Tomorrow they'll say ban examinations for the school children.
That's true, that's a point.
The most important focus where kids are concerned is child abuse. Child physical, sexual, emotional abuse which is happening all over the country and all over the world. That is what we need to work on. And if we are nurturing talent in children, and I'm sure they don't make them work day and night over there in the studios. So I feel if somebody is coming,
it's personal choice. None of us can dictate what someone wants to do with their lives, even if it's a child. He has the right to choose. So, any more questions?
The last one to Mahima, the GST is already started. Being a part of the film industry, how do you think it will affect or it will benefit for the industry?
Okay, that will be the last.
GST, this is the last one.
Okay, one quick.
I don't know about the industry. They've tried to keep the regional films out, is what I saw. But me personally, for me, the tax has just gone up. So I don't know who's going to be happy about paying more taxes. I'm not. 15% service tax was good enough for me. Now it's 18%. So I don't know how the industry is going to be. The regional films are exempted, but it's definitely more taxes for me.
Great. So on that note, we're going to wrap up this panel discussion. And I'd just like to end with a research that if all of us were to sleep just about 60 to 90 minutes more per night, we would be a whole lot healthier and happier. And as someone said, when everything else fails, take a nap. So I hope you all have a restful sleep and you've enjoyed this conversation. Thank you so much. I think we'll continue it offline. We're getting delayed.
Let me ask that question, please. Yeah. Yes. Wait, boss. Let him say first. Over there.
Thank you very much. I'm representing the premium brand Bharat. I just want to ask. Khalibas. Thank you. See, I am selling mattress from so many years, but I am much concerned that out of 8 or 9 hours, how much time our brain sleep?
Who's that question addressed to? Dr. Yusuf?
Doctor.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
You know, we have 4 stages of sleep. First is stage 1, 2, 3, 4. The 1 and 2 stages, kacha sleep. The 3 and 4 is the pakka deep sleep that we go in. Then we have this rapid eye movement sleep and REM.
Don't ask me anything about GST. I'm so uninformed. I just know.
Fine. Okay, महिमा, आप स्ट्रेस दूर करने के लिए क्या करते हैं?
स्ट्रेस दूर करने के लिए मुझे जो सबसे ज़्यादा मेरे लिए ऊपर काम करता है वो है शॉपिंग. I don't know, मतलब I can reach the mall in the morning, कहीं पे भी, यहाँ पे, विदेश में, anywhere. I just feel relaxed. I feel good. I feel like I've exercised, all of that. So that de-stresses me.
Okay, what happening on professional front?
Nothing right now. I'm just going on a holiday. When I come back, I'll be more relaxed. I'm going to all the baby places like Disney World and all. So I'm going to get a lot of exercise, which is good for me. But today it was good because we were at this mattress launch and we were talking not about getting exercise, breathing and running and jogging and eating right. We were talking about resting. And resting is also a very important part of life. And I liked discussing that. Sona is golden. It's very important to sleep.
Okay, Solmay, I was asking Solmay.
Yeah? So have a good rest. Have a good rest, night sleep, yes?
A lot of celebrities अभी reality shows कर रहे हैं, and you know, वो prefer करते हैं कि ठीक है movie नहीं है तो we'll do some reality show and something like that. Are you interested? या कोई plan है आपका reality?
No, the show that Neha's doing, actually I have judged children, which I hate doing, but children like to be part of competitions. So I've done shows. I even did with NDTV an acting show. I've judged all of that and done lots of events. So I keep myself busy. Yeah.
Okay, have you seen the trail of Harry Met Sejal where Shah Rukh is playing Harry in the film?
No, I haven't seen. I'm already on holiday mode, and so yeah, after August, 5th of August is I'll get into work mode again. So today is my last day of working. I'd like to tell everyone, get yourself a decent mattress. Mattress is very important for sleep, and have a good night's sleep. Sona bhi utna hi important as jogging and eating right.
Thank you.
And have great holiday. No.
Thank you so much.
Very nice.
Okay guys,
अच्छा don't ask me any. अच्छा तो कुछ ठीक ही सोचा होगा. Edit में इनका question डाल देना.
Okay, नेहा, आप स्ट्रेस दूर करने के लिए आप क्या करते हैं?
मैं आई थिंक ज़्यादा मेरे को सबसे ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस होता है अपने मोबाइल फ़ोन से. यू नो सडनली व्हेन यू थिंक एवरीथिंग इज़ गोइंग फाइन एंड यू सडनली चेक अ मैसेज एंड यू आर लाइक ये या हुआ नहीं या फिर ये करना है और दिस पर्सन इज़ नॉट गेटिंग इन टच. आई फील लाइक द वन थिंग दैट आई डू इज स्टे अवे फ्रॉम माई मोबाइल फ़ोन. क्योंकि जब भी मैं छुट्टी की भी बात करती हूँ मैं हमेशा ये बोलती हूँ कि मुझे कोई ऐसी जगह पे जाना है जहाँ पे मैं बहुत ज़्यादा सो सकूँ और जहाँ मेरा फ़ोन ना काम करे. सो आई थिंक द टू थिंग्स दैट आई डू टू रिलीव स्ट्रेस, वन इज़ get rid of my phone, the other one is sleep really well.
Okay. Do you really feel that you really go through what kind of mattresses it actually
You know, I have to be honest, I have not used the Magni Smart Tech, but I've used Magniflex mattresses. और क्योंकि मैं एक, you know, I've been a customer, consumer, whatever you'd like to call me, and it has a technology where you feel better. काफ़ी लोगों को यहाँ पे शायद पता नहीं होता, पर हम जब लड़कियाँ इतनी हाई हील्स पहन के घूमती हैं, तो by the end of the day, you know, our feet also swell up, and we're like, there was a time I used to keep pillows underneath my feet and sleep, but now Magniflex has the technology. It knows what arch, what body form. I use the most basic mattress, but I'm telling you, if you use the right mattress, your sleep changes. It really does.
Okay, Neha, what's your fitness mantra? मैं अगर बात करूँ, you know, आप हमेशा एक्टिव हैं, हमेशा, मतलब इंडस्ट्री की बात करूँ या वेब सीरीज या कुछ भी, आप हमेशा एक्टिव हैं इंडस्ट्री में. What is your fitness mantra, मैम?
वैसे मैंने कोई वेब सीरीज अभी तक की नहीं, पर अगर आपने देखा है मुझे किसी वेब सीरीज में तो वो अलग बात है. पर माई फिटनेस मंत्र इज़ वेरी सिंपल. या एज सून एज आई गेट अप, ऐसा नहीं है कि सुबह 7 बजे उठ के एक्सरसाइज करनी है, पर इफ़ माई वर्क स्टार्ट्स एट 1 o'clock in the afternoon, then I do a -3 hours, I get up, I go work out, and then I start my work. अगर मेरा काम 9 बजे से शुरू हो रहा है तो मेरा दिन 6 बजे शुरू होता है. So every day, like even the doctor said, 1 घंटा मैं ज़रूर एक्सरसाइज करती हूँ मिनिमम. समटाइम्स आई इवन डू 2 वर्कआउट्स, एंड इट्स गॉट नथिंग टू डू विद क्योंकि आप इंडस्ट्री में हैं. इवन व्हेन आई डिडंट थिंक दैट कि मैं एक्टर बनूंगी, आई वाज ऑलवेज इनटू स्पोर्ट्स, आई वाज ऑलवेज इनटू एथलेटिक्स. आई थिंक एक फौजी होने के नाते लाइफस्टाइल भी अलग होती है, सो we grow up differently, but yes, fitness is very important. It's very scary not to be fit.
Being in the film industry, do you feel really you get time for proper sleep? In fact, like the working hours are very odd.
No, I think working hours is ज़्यादा, you know, it's your ability to say no. I didn't think I had that, but now I've become a little more selfish कि यहाँ जाना है, वहाँ जाना है. If it comes in the way of my sleep, or if another commitment, or if it's not work कि मतलब shoot के अलावा कहीं और जाना है, and if I know that I'm going to lose my sleep over it, I definitely choose a good night's rest. क्योंकि अगर अगले दिन shoot हो तो I don't go out at all. But yeah, if I know that ठीक है अगले दिन लेट उठ सकते हैं, then maybe I do step out.
What about the next project?
Okay. मेरी सुलू है, तुम्हारी सुलू. The tribute to Sridevi, you can throw some more light on that.
I don't think I can throw any light on that just yet. All I can say is the film comes out on the 1st of December, and it's been amazing working with Vidya, and rest once the promo is out. Thank you.